Hello, students. Hello,
Hello.
third grade students. This is Miss Mary.
And this is Maria here. And we will be talking about food we like and don't like.
Okay. Maria, do you like chips?
Yes, I like chips.
So, she likes, okay, chips. All right. Do you like cheese?
Yes, I like cheese.
So,
Oh,
she likes cheese.
How about you, Miss Mary? Do you like eggs?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so she likes eggs. Awesome.
Do you like ice cream?
Oh, I love ice cream.
So you love ice
Yeah.
cream. She loves ice cream.
Yes.
Okay.
And Miss Mary, do you like rice?
Yes, I love
she
ice
loves
cream.
it.
Yeah, nice.
Okay.
Maria, do you like vegetables?
Yes, I like vegetables.
So she likes vegetables.
And Miss Mary, do you like chicken?
Yes, I do.
So she likes. Wait. Sorry. She likes chicken.
Okay. Maria, do you like bananas? Like this? This is a banana. Do you like bananas?
No, I don't like bananas.
So she doesn't like bananas. Because Maria is a girl, so she.
Yes. Okay. And Miss Mary, do you like sausages?
Yeah, okay, yes, I do.
Okay. Oops. This one. So she likes sausages.
Okay. And Maria, I have a question for you. Look at this boy.
Hmm.
Does he like vegetables? What do you think?
He doesn't like vegetables.
That's right. He doesn't like vegetables. And what do you think? Does he like salad?
Yes, he likes salad.
Yes.
Okay.
He likes salad. Okay.
Cool.
Cool. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
And see you in class. Bye, students.
Bye.